Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's story time. आप सभी को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. A very happy Diwali to all of you. And since it is Diwali, I am going to tell you a story about Diwali. Okay? होली, दिवाली, रक्षाबंधन आदि कई ऐसे भारतीय त्योहार हैं जिनकी विश्व में एक अलग पहचान है. So there are lots of Indian festivals which are quite renowned around the world, like Holi, Diwali, रक्षाबंधन etc. इन त्योहारों को लोग बड़े हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ मनाते हैं. All of these festivals are celebrated with lots of pomp and show. इन सभी त्योहारों की अपनी अलग-अलग दंत कथाएं भी है. All of these festivals have mythological stories related to them. प्रायः हर कहानी के पीछे कोई न कोई बड़ी उपलब्धि भी बताई जाती है. So all of these festivals usually have some achievement behind them as well. So the story has some achievement and also some moral value, some moral teaching related to them as well. आज मैं आपको दिवाली के मौके पर ऐसी ही दो कहानियों के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ. पहली कहानी वो है जो लगभग सभी भारतीयों को पता है. Almost all of us, all of Indians know about the first story. दीपावली श्री राम जी के वनवास से लौटने की खुशी में मनाते हैं. So Lord Ram went for exile in 14 years for 14 years. So when he came back, people lighted his city. The residents of his city, his town, were so happy for his coming back. They lighted rows and rows of diyas, too many diyas everywhere in the city. So Deepavali means Deep Avli, line of diya. So rows of diyas, lots of diyas were lighted, and that's why the name became Deepavali. मंथरा के गलत विचारों से पीड़ित होकर भरत की माता कैकई ने श्री राम को उनके पिता दशरथ से वनवास भेजने के लिए वचनबद्ध कर दिया. So Manthara was the attending maid of the stepmother of God Ram, and she had the father of Lord Ram, husband of Kekai, had given her a promise that you can ask me anything you would like any time in my life. So she just got controlled by Manthara. She gave her bad ideas that your son should be the king and not Ram. So she asked Dashrath to send Ram to exile for 14 years and asked her son Bharat to be made the king of Ayodhya. ऐसे में श्री राम अपने पिता के आदेश को सम्मान से मानते हुए माता सीता और भाई लक्ष्मण के साथ 14 वर्ष के वनवास के लिए निकल पड़ते हैं. So Lord Rama happily agreed to keep the promise of his father, and he was ready to go to the exile. His wife Sita and his brother Lakshman said, "We will accompany you," and they went with him as well. तो वहीं वन में रावण ने माता सीता का छल से अपहरण कर लिया. So the demon Ravan came and he kidnapped Sita from the forest where they were staying. जब श्री राम सुग्रीव के वानर सेना और प्रभु हनुमान के साथ मिलकर रावण की सेना को परास्त करते हैं और रावण का वध करके सीता माता को छुड़ा लाते हैं, तो जिस दिन रावण का वध किया उसे तो दशहरे की तरह मनाते हैं. और जब श्री राम अपने घर अयोध्या लौटते हैं तो पूरे राज्य के लोग उनकी आने की खुशी में रात्रि के समय दीप जलाते हैं और खुशियां मनाते हैं. उस दिन को दीपावली कहा जाता है. So when Ravan took Sita, kidnapped Sita, then Ram took help of Sugriv and Hanuman, the monkey gods, and they defeated Ravan. They attacked Ravan and they defeated Ravan in the fight and killed him. So the day when Ravan was killed by Lord Ram, that day is celebrated as Dashera. And the day it took them 20 days to come back home. So the day they came back home, people lighted rows and rows of diyas to celebrate. So the day they returned home is celebrated as Diwali, 20 days after Dashera. So this is the first story, the main story that we all are aware of. This is the main reason Diwali has been celebrated since. The second story that is also quite popular is from Mahabharata. So this one story is, the first story is from the Ramayana and the second story is from Mahabharata. पांडवों का अपने राज्य में लौटना आपने महाभारत की कहानी में सुना होगा। कौरवों ने शकुनी मामा की चाल की मदद से शतरंज के खेल में पांडवों का सब कुछ छीन लिया था और यहाँ तक कि उन्हें राज्य छोड़कर 13 वर्ष के वनवास के लिए भी जाना पड़ा था। So in Mahabharata, what happened is there are these cousins, brother Pandav and Kaurav. So Kaurav have a uncle Shakuni, and he plays a trick. And in the game of Indian chess, they defeat Pandav and take all of their share of the kingdom, and ask them to go to forest also for 13 years. So they lost the game and they agreed to go to the forest as they agreed in the game in the beginning. तो इसी कार्तिक अमावस्या को वो 5 पांडव युधिष्ठिर, भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल एंड सहदेव अपने 13 वर्ष के वनवास से अपने राज्य लौटे थे। उनके लौटने की खुशी में उनके राज्यों ने दीप जलाकर खुशियां मनाई। तो वह भी दीपावली का एक मुख्य कारण है। So the Pandav also went to the exile for 13 years and they also came back on the same day when people welcomed them with rows and rows of diyas in their city. So this is another story which is also quite popular for the celebration of Deepavali. Thank you for listening.